In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench set. This is the telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench set. Small telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench. Medium telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench. Large telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench. Next, we will go over the tool and how to use it. We will use the small telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench as an example. Pull out the locking ring. Extend the ratchet head. This activates the telescopic function of the ratchet wrench. Then lock the locking ring back in place. The selector lever on the ratchet head controls the removal direction. When the selector lever is moved to the left, it rotates counterclockwise. Move the selector lever. When the selector lever is moved to the right, it rotates clockwise. We selected a small 10mm deep socket, paired with the small telescopic quick-release ratchet wrench. For this hands-on demonstration, this is for demonstration purpose. For reference only, take out the small ratchet wrench. Then, press and hold the button on top to install the socket. Next, we will first demonstrate bolt removal. Move the selector lever to the left position. Align with the target bolt. The bolt can now be removed. If the target bolt is over-tightened, we can extend the wrench to help remove tight bolts. Pull out the locking ring. Extend the wrench, lock it in place. Then the tight bolt can be removed. Next, we will demonstrate bolt tightening. Move the selector lever to the right side. This is the tightening direction. Align with the target bolt. Rotate the ratchet wrench to tighten. We can also extend the wrench for easier operation with additional leverage. Pull out the locking ring. Extend the wrench. Tighten the bolt.